Hi guys and welcome to Two Chicks in a Car. And over here we speak together.
Yeah.
We say things together. No, I'm kidding. But yeah, we are two chicks in the car.
I'm Gauri.
And I'm Liz. And we talk over each other.
Yeah, over each other.
Gauri, what is Two Chicks in a Car?
Okay, so Two Chicks in a Car is for people who are in their 20s, getting to their 20s, and just crossed their 20s.
So like everyone.
Yeah, so basically everyone. Two Chicks in a Car is relatable, unofficial older sister talks for everyone.
But I'm young. I'm the younger sister.
No, you're born in like the 90s.
Like 99. Like
You're like 30.
25, Gauri.
Okay, so our
Moving
topic
on.
for today. What's
What
our
is-
topic for today?
Our topic for today is how to get your together. I
That.
mean, how to get your beep together.
Beep together. Okay, so let's start with first round, which is like the serious question round. Do you want to start with the first question?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Okay, so what does having it all together mean to you? Like, what is that definition? And do you think that definition has changed over time?
Okay, to answer your second question first, definition has definitely changed over time.
The definition has definitely changed.
Yeah, statement, guys.
Alliteration.
Yeah. What does having it all mean to me?
Having it all together.
Yeah, having it all together mean to me is wait, what does it mean to you?
I think for me, having it all together means being content in life.
Yeah,
I don't think there's a
agree
set
with that.
definition,
So
right?
it's like being happy with where you are,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Okay.
I think many people have that preconceived notion that okay, you have to be a certain way in your 20s, but I
Like, you know, by 25
yeah,
list,
like oh, have a house, have a car, have this, have
the
that.
perfect relationship, the
I-
perfect body. No,
Yeah, I think
I think it's just being happy at where you are right now in life.
correct, and everyone has their own path and their own timing and their own
Yeah.
pace. So let bygones be bygones.
Correct. So, moving on to the second question, do you have any non-negotiable daily routines?
That's a good question. I would say
Going to the gym.
I think yeah, self-care. I think that's one
Right?
thing that is. I just don't like compromising. I think I like clip the mic. But no, I don't compromise on self-care.
Like
at all.
eating clean and
Going to the
going to
gym.
gym and
Just staying
skincare.
active. Yeah, skincare absolutely.
Just basic. We are
Yeah.
not those bougie chicks who are trying to be perfect.
We're
Trust
also
me.
not pick me girls, guys. We're
Trust
just
me.
putting the disclaimer out. We're not trying to be
Yeah.
pick me,
No,
but
we are happy by ourselves.
yeah. And I think, dude, whatever we like, whatever skincare, everything we do, we try to keep it natural. I think,
Natural. No, we
yeah.
are really.
yeah, we're too toxic for the other toxins. so
Exactly.
We keep it natural.
Okay, third question, your turn.
My turn, okay. Okay, so it's a known fact that everyone gets a little stressed out, right? So, how would you say that you handle stress?
By calling my best friend. Is that you?
Is that me?
Is that you? Yeah.
I
yeah.
think that's me.
Yeah, so we are always on call with each other.
Yeah.
That's the reason we started a podcast, because we were like, anyways, we yap. Let's just yap on camera.
I love that. I
No, so I
yeah.
think it's very important to have that one emotional support who is a call away, who picks your call, not the ones that miss your call. All the
shots
time.
being fired.
Yeah, no,
No,
no, no.
I pick your call.
Yeah,
like,
you
pretty
do,
often.
you do. I
9
mean,
out of 10 times.
even if you don't, that's like if you're like taking a bath or
Yeah.
like watching the last
My
15
show.
minutes of your show.
Yeah, so true.
But I think it's very important to have that one person who
Yeah.
you can go to, not only for delulu advices,
Yeah.
but for like realistic, like reality checks.
Right.
Like, am I doing this right? And then the person is like yes or no according to how it has to be. Like telling the truth.
True. I think having a good support system is very important in your 20s,
Correct.
and if by some chance you don't have a good support system, then I think finding that support in yourself
In
is important.
yourself. So see, I think we do very much. We are like, I think we can take care of ourselves, but we
Yeah.
also like, you know, a little bit
A
of
little
validation,
help from your friends.
help
is
from your
needed.
friends, like
Yeah.
close, real friends.
Yeah.
So moving on to the next question. How much do you think social media influences on how we are in real life?
I think a lot. I think the degree of influence of social media is like a lot. And as time progresses, I feel it just gets even worse and worse. Because, I feel what's on social media it's not an accurate representation of how things are in real life. I
So
think
do you
it's
feel like unrealistic expectations is what it
absolutely,
is?
yeah. Because, I mean, everything is so filtered on social media, right? You think people are very happy.
Have the perfect
they
body,
may-
have the perfect
yeah.
house, but
they
are
may be going through a lot
Are
in
they
their
really
life, and you
happy
don't
in
see
real life?
that side, but you'll
We don't
see
see
of them, you'll see post of them like going on trips and going here and there, but they're
maybe
like,
they're broke. Maybe they're taking credit card loans and going on
how?
trips.
Yeah, we don't know that.
And maybe you're like happier than them.
Maybe we should see their credit score.
Yeah.
You know?
So I think we need to just stop comparing ourselves to people on
Yeah.
social media.
I think comparison is a thief of joy. I may have seen that on social media, guys,
Just
but
practice that for the nth time. Trust me.
I keep saying it. It's like a motto. in my life.
Yeah. Okay, moving on.
Okay, so let's get a little real now, okay? What is one area in your life where you feel like you have control, firstly? Secondly, what is one area in your life where you feel like you're a mess?
Let me start with me being a mess. I overthink a lot and I do have my anxious moments. Like
Yeah.
right now, I don't know what my parrot at home is doing, who I'm
Oh, yeah.
overly attached to, and I am panicking. I have a smiley face, guys, but I'm truly panicking.
She's faking it, guys.
I'm faking it. But one place I have control in my life is my emotions. I mean, even though I'm anxious, I know I have to do what I have to do. So I have my emotions in place. And
Yeah.
also, I think from my teenage and childhood, like I think, I don't know how, but I think I'm blessed. Like I know I should not give my emotions key to anybody else but myself. Like I should not let anybody else control my emotions. Does that make sense?
Yeah, I think it does. It does,
Yeah.
for sure.
So
I think having emotional control
Yeah.
on yourself, like for yourself.
I think even you are like that.
um,
But
have
I
my
mean, I
moments.
think you have your moments and then
Yeah.
you shut down
yeah.
and you
ghost.
block everybody. And
So
not
if I'm
block,
not picking your calls, guys,
not
that's
block,
the
block,
reason.
like block
Yeah, yeah.
energies out of
Yeah.
your life.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
And then I think, see, everybody has their own coping mechanism,
Yeah,
right?
absolutely.
So I think it's okay. You know, sometimes if you need a downtime or if you need a retreat or if you need like couple of therapy sessions or
Yeah.
meditation, it's okay, guys. We all have our moments. We all
Yeah.
deal with emotions in different ways.
Yeah.
And that's okay,
Exactly.
right?
Very true.
Okay, moving on. Okay. So next round is Lizanne's favorite round, chaotic question round.
Is it my favorite? It is my favorite.
It is your favorite.
It is
What's the
life.
dumbest thing you thought you would have had achieved by 25?
Oh, that's a good one. Oh my god, there are so many.
Answer fast before the security kicks us out.
So the first, I mean, okay, one of them, yeah, before the security kicks us out. So one of them is, those pressure cookers that Indians use.
Oh,
I
you
mean, I think
can't
only
be for
Indians
real.
use. No, dude, have you seen it? Do you know how to like use it? Like for real.
You sound like, I love Kendall Jenner, but you sound like Kendall Jenner cutting
Cooking.
cutting the cucumbers.
No, but
She doesn't know to use pressure cooker, guys.
it like gives me stress using it. Like my mom has explained it a dozen times how to use it. She
Maybe
showed
you need
me.
to use it other things. You know, the electric ones.
I really like a NutriCook kind of thing. I have that. I use that. That
Are we
was a-
doing brand endorsements now?
We guys, please sponsor us. NutriCook, Nissan, please.
She's a sponsorship management, so
I-
that's why she's like,
yeah. I'm doing a good job, I think.
okay, moving on.
So if 25-year-old us met 18-year-old us, what is the first thing we would tell them? Like, what do you think?
I would say good job. I'm really proud of how far I have come.
Yeah.
And I think sometimes appreciating yourself, even though it's not exactly where I wanted to be when I'm 25, I wanted to own a house by the time I'm 25. You know, it's not, I'm not there yet, but I'm still figuring it out.
Yeah.
I know I'll be there maybe in another 2 or 3 years.
Exactly. I think
Like, you know, God's grace. But yeah, I think we need to sometimes appreciate ourselves and give ourselves, you know, like a pat
Like,
on the
take your
back.
time. Yeah,
a pat on the back for how far we have come. No matter how far. If you're
Yeah.
better than you were yesterday, if you're better than you were yesterday, you're good.
you're doing a good job.
Like
yeah.
you just need to stop taking it so harsh on yourself.
Yeah, I think being tough on yourself. That's like, I would probably tell myself that, like, hey, like, take it easy. You know? She's doing like, let her just do her.
Yeah. Okay, moving on to the next question. What's something you saw someone do at 25 that made you panic?
Get married.
Yeah.
Get married.
She's
Have
trying
a
to
kid.
figure out how to use a pressure cooker.
Yeah, like that's my struggle for today. Like that is how I want to.
And I'm trying to figure out how I can get my business to have more sales. These are the
Yeah.
thoughts in our head. But no hate to marriage, no hate to love
Yeah.
relationships.
Again,
We-
people have their own pace,
priorities
right? Like,
and pace and
let them. If you want to get married, go ahead, guys.
Yeah,
Tell
we're
us how you did it. Tell us how you found.
no,
your
hats off
significant
to
other.
you. We really
Yeah.
appreciate, you know, the
Yeah.
it's a lot.
It's a big decision,
It's
and
a
to
big
be able to
decision.
take it at this age, being
Correct.
like so sure, it's commendable.
Next question.
Okay, wait.
If you had a "Are you sure" button in your life, where would you click it?
When?
When?
4 years ago.
It's when? Huh? When would you have clicked it?
4 years ago.
What happened 4 years ago again?
I don't know. 4 years ago, Feb 24th.
Whoa!
Hint, hint. Anyways, yeah, probably then. But no regrets. I don't think I would need a "Are you sure" button.
No, right? Like
Yeah.
I think we should not regret
Yeah,
in life.
all lessons in life.
All lessons in life. Like whatever happens for a reason.
Yeah.
And
Correct.
whatever has to happen will happen in the right time.
Yeah.
Whoa! Maybe I should wake up early in the morning.
Yeah, you're very wise at this time. 11:30 a.m.
Yeah. Okay.
So, what's one by 25 expectation you're glad you didn't do?
No.
Why are you laughing? Is it what I think it is?
Maybe. No. Maybe like I don't know. Like you know how people are like, we need to have the perfect relationship, perfect life by 25. You know, I think it's that. Like things don't have to be perfect. You know, sometimes you can like have hiccups.
Yeah.
Sometimes you can mess up. And I think we
True.
just need to take it slow. There's no by 25 list.
Yeah, exactly.
Like
And if there is, we don't want to see it.
we don't want to see it. Just like keep it away.
Keep it away.
Put it in a locker and throw it in the sea.
Yeah.
Like no, there's no
That's a
by
bit
25.
extreme.
Like the ship, I want to send all that people in.
Oh,
Like
with them.
you know, I want to put everybody who is bad for others in a ship and send them away. Maybe we should call it the send away ship.
People are gonna stop talking to you out of the fear that you're gonna do that to them someday.
If their energy is not good for my mental peace, I'm sending them
Ship
away in
them.
the send away ship.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know, okay, that's like an exercise I do.
Aramex, Aramex, please sponsor us.
DP World, please sponsor us. Okay, no, that's something for real that I do. Like, you know, like if I have someone who I think is bad for my energy, I
You
like
wanna throw
write
them
them.
away. Oh, you write their name
I write their name
and then
in
go
a
on the
list.
paper.
It is the it list. It list. Let's beep it. But no, I don't burn the paper. I just keep them in that list. That means they are on my bad list. That means they don't make it to my everyday conversations. I don't talk about them. I don't think about them.
Yeah.
And I think that's a healthy thing to do.
So when I was young, right, I had a not awesome list.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's the same.
and I had people on that list, and I was like, yeah, hell no, not awesome.
I think we need to like normalize doing that because it's so
Yeah.
healthy for
Yeah.
us. You know, that means we should not talk about them, we should not think about them, we should not like let them affect our energy in any way.
Yeah.
And that's so good. That sends the toxicity away without us trying to do anything much.
Yeah. True. And if they ever find that list, so be it.
They know, yeah.
They
like
know they
trash can
belong.
take itself out. Like, okay.
Oh my god, yesterday I saw, I don't know if you should add this, but okay, I'll tell you later.
Huh. We're just having a normal bedroom
Normal.
talk now. Whoa.
Bedroom talk. Oof.
Okay.
Uh,
Okay, moving on to our next round. Would you rather questions?
Basically, this podcast is just us asking each other questions.
I love it. Don't you guys love how it is?
Comment below, guys. Do
Comment
you
below,
like it?
guys. Like, share, subscribe. Can I do the Disney Channel thing also?
Go for it. Maybe in post we'll add the.
Yeah, that. Anyways.
I used to
Okay.
practice that a lot when I was
Right?
young. I had like a
I
little
used
stick
to
as well.
watch Jake Paul do it.
I never seen Jake Paul on Disney Channel. I was not of that.
Jake Paul sponsors.
Oh.
Prime.
Primes.
Prime drink sponsors. Oh my god. Okay, let's move on to the would you rather. Okay, do you
Yeah.
want to ask the first question?
Yeah. Would you rather? Okay, wait. Let me read this out. Would you rather look like you have it all together but secretly be a mess, or actually have your life together but no one believes
Aren't
you?
we all secretly a mess? Like,
Yeah.
see, I think we all are trying to fake it till we make it, which is
Yeah.
okay. Like, as
It's
far
necessary.
as far as we know what we are doing,
Yeah.
I think we are good. Right?
True.
Let's move on to the next question. Would you rather have a high paying, stable job or a low paying, unstable job that makes you happy?
High-paying, stable job that I hate.
Yeah,
I mean, see, I'm all for that.
But is it
Wait,
because
I need to speak? I'm like keeping my mic down here.
No.
But no, see, so in my opinion, like I do believe in the whole follow your passion, that kind of things. But I think as you grow up, like now being 25, I
you have
know
responsibilities?
how important it is to have a stable job
Yeah.
and to, because like I mean your expenses are very stable. So let your income be stable
But
as
that is
well.
because you want it, not for living up to the society's expectations.
No, it's because I truly want that, and I just want to not have to worry about
Perfect.
the whole jobs thing.
As far as you know what you're doing.
I don't, but
Okay.
I'll get
We
there.
are figuring it
We're
out.
figuring it out.
Okay. Your turn?
Yeah. Would you rather have all the money and success, but zero free time, or all the free time in the world but struggle financially?
Okay, I know your answer is different,
Yeah.
but I would rather have all the money and success with zero free time. Because, I mean.
I
From-
think mine would be the same as well.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. No, we are not gold diggers, guys, I promise.
No, it's not
But
about
no,
being
I think
gold
we just.
diggers.
I think if we have the money part sorted, at the end of the day, why is everybody fighting the rat race to earn money?
Yeah.
It's not about us being greedy about money, it's just us being. Maybe it's just us being
I
greedy.
think sustain. No,
Yeah, I think it's
sustaining
just like-
yourself and
Yeah,
like you don't want to struggle financially.
you know
like,
what? If
that.
maybe like you could think of it this way. Like if you're rich enough, you have a lot going on. You don't have time to overthink.
maybe you don't want free time.
Maybe you don't want free time because you'll overthink.
We're gonna regret this after this podcast when we are working and we have no free time. When you can't watch the Vampire Diaries.
Yeah, but no, honestly, like a break is needed. But sometimes I wish I was doing more. Like, I just want to wake up every day and hustle and come back and be satisfied and go to bed.
Okay.
Okay, last question for the day is: would you rather have everything figured out but never be excited about life, or would
Why
you
are
rather?
you so sassy? Where
don't
did
know.
this sass come from?
Or would you rather be? Wait, let me complete the question. Now let me say it again. Take two.
Take two with the
Would
sass.
you rather? Yeah. Would you rather have everything figured out in life, but what was the question? Okay. Take three. Would you rather have everything figured out in life, but never be excited? What was the question? I'm like so confused.
I think just like read it out.
Take 120. Would you rather have everything figured out but never be excited about life, or constantly be figuring out things like by the day and be happy about everything that you figure out? Option 2. Are you processing
Yeah.
the loading sign? No, I think it's option 2. I think we should like figure out
I think-
things by the day.
I think for
slowly.
me, being excited about life is very important. So I think I
Exactly.
would prioritize that. Like,
Yeah.
I don't care if I'm not figured out. Like, that's fine. I just want to
Everybody,
enjoy life. Like,
even a person at 90 is learning something new today.
yeah. Like, I woke up, in fact, today I woke up in the morning and I had like such a positive feeling for some reason, okay?
She told me she was sleepy to record this podcast today, okay?
No, but I did. I was definitely sleepy, but I woke up like very excited because we were doing this. And yeah, I mean, that just goes to show that, you know, being excited about life is important. It's a priority, guys. Just be excited. Just like
Yes.
hype yourself up. Be a-
Hype yourself up.
Hype
I
woman.
so believe in hyping yourself up.
Okay, this is where did this accent and sass come from? I don't even know.
Okay, anyways. So that
Let's
was
conclude.
our...
To conclude, we planned that, guys.
Yeah. No, it was so unplanned.
It was quinky dip.
Quinkidink. Okay, let's make that a thing.
Let's make that a
It's a
thing.
quinkidink, guys. To conclude, I think it's okay to take your time in life. You know, like, it's okay to have your own GPS and know the route that you're going in than to follow somebody else's GPS by sitting in somebody else's car. Does that make sense?
Yeah. Okay. And please get used to our podcast
Podcast.
puns because we are in a car and we talk
Yeah.
about car things like
Nissan,
yes.
this is your call for sponsoring us.
We look desperate for
You're the
sponsor.
sponsorship management department. You need to take care of that. We both are like departments in
Yeah.
this podcast.
I've not agreed to be sponsorship department. But okay.
So don't throw your glass. That's
Yeah. Oh, by the way, we've not told them why there's a mic in a cup.
We didn't know where to place the mic.
Yeah,
So
maybe
we just
we'll
placed it
insert
in
the
cup.
video
Yeah.
where we're figuring that
Yeah.
figuring that out.
Yeah.
Do you want to should we hold it in the hand like this? Can you put it on the glass? Anyways,
Okay,
so
can we give the outro like those vloggers used to do back in the day? Like go and shut the camera?
yeah, I think we still do that. I don't know. I'm not on.
I don't know. Okay, bye.
Anyways, yeah, bye.
Bye.